How to fix this setting is disabled on managed browser. Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll teach you guys how you can fix this setting is disabled on managed browser problem. So the problem is whenever you are on your settings, whenever you're on the settings of your browser and you're on the privacy and security, and then you are on your security option here. So after you're here, you should see an option that says Secure DNS. To use Secure DNS, all you have to do is tap on this button and it should work. But it is giving you this setting is disabled on managed browser. If such problem occurs on yours, what you'll then need to do is just open up your registry editor. Simply search for regedit on your device, and after you do that, you'll see HKey local machine. Expand on HKey local machine here. This is the one right here. Tap on it. And after that, you'll see the software option. Now let me just collapse this and show it to you. This is what it should look like. Tap on software. And after you tap on software, simply search for policies. As you can see right here, there is policies. Now under policies, all you have to do is search for your Google Chrome or whichever browser is giving you the trouble. Then under there, you'll find the Chrome's policy, which you'll just need to tap, right click, and then right click on it and then tap on delete. After you delete that, your problem should get fixed. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.